Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new right over here on West Indian Delights, welcome once more. Thank you so much for joining us. Now, I want to say I'm mad. No, I'm not crazy, y'all. It's a boys and girls champs in Jamaica. Today is the final. Yeah? This is my son's, what you call it, alma mater or whatever. My son went to this school. And all of you are Jamaicans who know this, don't know so what this represent. It represent Kingston College, y'all, to be exact. Yo, all of the man them with the purple blood I run through, you know. All of the 40s man them in the house. On the West Indian Delights cooking journey, yeah? Big up on yourself, man. Manners and respect. Man, them say them want to carry something go North Street today. Okay, y'all? So I'm all dressed in purple and decked in purple because I've got to be supportive. Now, today this video is about selecting and cooking your red beans evenly. Yes? Selecting and cooking your red beans evenly. Selecting. Remember, sometimes you have all different type, brand, colors of red beans. Some of them tough like any Spanish tongue handcuff. Spanish tongue handcuff mean your handcuff where you take and hold prisoner. Yeah, Spanish tongue then just tie the name. It's just a Jamaican thing, you know. They're really hard to cook even though you soak them and all of that. So I'm just here sharing with you that how you go about selecting. Okay? Now, camera girl, get right in on this. When you're gonna have some noise. This is the nature of red beans and whatever the peas, especially these. When going to select red beans, y'all, look at the color. This pale pink. It's pale pink. And this also is tied to like pork and beef. When you're looking at a juicy piece of beef or a juicy piece of pork, you look for the pale pink, not the dark red ones, okay? And this goes for the beans. So you look for this color. Yeah, you're going to say to yourself, Debbie, may I go get the color out of it? Yes, you're going to get the color that you want from it. So this is the color. You don't have to, but I'm saying if you go and you see this, choose this over the others. It's softer, real soft. Now, when you're cooking, most people, they would soak, wash and soak for some time and then proceed to cook. Now we're not gonna wash this one because sometimes you never plan to cook no peas, you know. No, you did not, but you just say, okay, I feel I'm gonna eat some stew peas or whatever the peas dish. But you did not get to do it ahead of time for whatever reason, or you just go out and come back and you just want to do it. Because when it's soaked, you know, it becomes soft. Everybody comes under one accord and, you know, they cook evenly. So I'm going to show you when you never prepare for cook red peas or whatever the case is that you have to cook your red beans without soaking them, how you proceed. So what we want to do right now, you're going to start washing. So camera girl. And you know you're going to have some noise. So let's just get it all washed and come back to you. We're going to wash, and then when you wash, you throw. Let it run. Okay? Or should I just show you? I think I'm just, because some people let me get it out to wash the red peas all now, you know. I'm getting you in on this one, okay, y'all? I want to know, say, when Debbie come, she well come, okay, y'all? So you can do this about 2 to 3 times, because some of them really, you know? And then the last one, you just run it right through. Okay. Now, you want to make sure that ahead of time, if you had seen any little ones that were like anything like this, you should have picked it before and discard it. Don't mind these that break in two. That's what happens. Now that this is it, now you'll proceed to soak, but we're not going to soak because soaking brings it softer and brings everybody into one. Now we're going to start cooking this thing right now because we want some red peas to cook right now. We don't have time to soak no peas and cook. We're going to cook. Yeah, right down into your pot. Okay? Flame up. Cold water. You're not going to boil no kettle this time. Flame up with just a little. We're going to leave it to just a little to cover it. And we are gonna come back just a little like this. Shoot them up, camera girl, just to cover it. We want it to start boiling just in the cold water. So as soon as it starts boiling, we will return. Okay, y'all, now we are boiling. Look at what is happening. There's some at the top there, and there is some in the bottom. You want to get everybody on an even accord. Everybody must be down into the bottom. So here we go. Cold water. You're going to hold your hand high, and you're going to pour real hard. Pouring, putting down those that are swimming on top, right to the bottom. Look at it, y'all. Look at it. Shoot them up, camera girl. Shoot them up. Shoot them up. Shoot them up. So look at what is happening. These few at the top, you don't worry. They're going right down. Now right over here, you're gonna need a few pegs of garlic. So you just smash your garlic. You don't have to cut up your garlic and grate your garlic. Not at this point, okay? So your garlic is gonna cook to flavor it. So you put, suppose you're cooking 10 pounds of peas, you know you got to put some more garlic. Now I'm gonna use the pressure cooking method because I like it. It's faster, and because of my field that I'm in, I am so addicted to pressure cooking method. Eh? So you always rinse your garlic and you put your garlic in there. Now remind those few at the top. So everybody is down at the bottom. So when the water starts boiling, everybody will start to be cooking at this. Will be cooking or will start cooking at the same time. Everybody will cook, and everybody will be on the same accord. None now go soft and none. If you don't sink it with the cold water, remember, you don't use hot or boiling water to start cooking dried peas. Okay? The cold water, so everybody will cook on the same accord. Everybody are going in at the same level. Not some soft and some chewy. To this now, you're going to add a little bit of your salt. Just a pinch. Because when you cook it without the salt and you're ready to salt it, it kind of one little weird. Give you a little problem to get the real, you know? The real deal. So you want to use a little salt. Probably about like this. This is about like half of a teaspoon or a little less. Yeah, man. Let's make it cook with a little salt. Mind you, you know, if you're using, you can just use your pot. So if you're using a regular pot, you would cover and it would start boiling. Remember, when it starts boiling, it's going to froth. So you might want to lower your flame. Okay? So what we are going to do, I'm not using the regular pot, right? I'm using the pressure cooker. So I'm going to cover up my pressure cooker, if you notice, right? So we'll leave this for cook. You must know the time frame on your pressure cooker. And when we return, we're going to see, don't cook it too soft. Try not to cook it too soft. Because if it's rice and peas, you're going to need to have the milk. And if it, you know, just cook it soft. Let it just be real, just ready for the road. Soft, but not too soft to be mashing out. Okay? Okay, y'all. We're going right in. Left our pressure cooker to cool, and it has now given weight. So look at what you have. Look at what you have. Don't do as I do. Use something else to cool. Everybody on the same accord. Remember, I said to you, am I gonna get the color, Debbie? Yes. Look at it. Look at the juice of the peas. Yes, you get good pretty color for your rice and peas. Okay. Now you're going to go and pour out from your pot. If you want, you know, you don't make this waste, you know, you rinse this out, or maybe you would have just start cooking right away and put where you want to put in there. Remember now, you know, if you go, you know, cook rice, you know, you're going, you know, for flavor up and move up from this. So. And probably if you were gonna cook, you know, if you're going to cook stew peas, you'd have put the pigtail and anybody everything in there. But the real thing of this video is to show you how to cook your peas, make it get evenly cooked when it's not soaked. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, keep subscribing, remember to share the videos, and most of all, when you do subscribe, please to hit that notification bell. Please keep your notifications on. Keep your notifications on. Yeah, man. Debbie from down a yard, I said bless, no stress. Yeah, man. The man them with the purple blood are running at them. Yeah, if you not come feet this year, yeah, we're all supporting you. But if you don't, remember your motto. It's let me hope I don't do this any wrong. Fortes, cadere, cedere, non potes. The brave may fall but never yield, y'all. So if you don't get it again this year, Nothing wrong. You had it for 14 years in a row. Power and strength to you all. If you do not get it this year, we'll be there with you next year, honey. Supporting. And you all, please use that motto in your kitchen. Fortis, cadere, cedere, non potes. The brave may fall but never yield. Meaning, if you cook some peas and you not cook gold, or cook some more peas again one next time, don't give up. Don't stop until you get the peas cooked right, okay? Bless you all once more. No stress.